Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A60 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we begin, there is one thing that I will need, which is this SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can find it somewhere in there, but you can also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the edges, should work just as well. So from there, pop out the tray, which is located on the left side, right here, so you can see where the pin is holding now. Push it in and the tray will pop out, and from here you have space for a SIM card and SD card, so place each one accordingly, like so. Now the SIM tray also, or the SD tray, doubles as another SIM tray if you want that, so you just place it here instead of the SIM card, and from there slide it back into the device, like so. It gives you a pin for it. Confirm it and you're basically done. So the card is working and SD card should work as well. Just give it a second. So there is the SD card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.